First, go to testnet.pansea.io. Make sure you are connected your MetaMask wallet and have enough mall balance. Point your mouse on profile icon and choose My Collection. Then click Create Collection. Choose your logo image, your feature image, and your banner. Then click Submit. You will see the preview of the image. Provide a name for your collection. Your royalty fee include 2.5% platform fee. Your EOM wallet address. Provide a description for your collection. Choose a category that suits your collection. You can provide your website link, Medium and Telegram, if you have it. Choose the tokens as your payment tokens. Then, click Create and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Now, you will see the collection that you have created. Click your collection. Then point profile icon and choose Create. Now, you can upload your artwork. Then, click Submit. Provide a name for your NFT. You will see your NFT preview after you click Submit. Provide a symbol maximum 4 to 8 characters. You can also provide external link to your NFT. Provide a description for your NFT. Choose your collection to store the NFT. You can add properties, levels, stats, and provide a supply that you wish to generate. Then, click Create and confirm in your wallet. The creation fee will be paid in Molcoin. Point your mouse on profile icon and choose My Collection. Click a collection that you want. Click the NFT to see its details. Click List for Sale. Now, you can set your price. Select token that you want, quantity and date. Then, click Submit. Click Confirm in your wallet. Now, your NFT is ready to be sold. Thanks for watching.